Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Friday, pressured by shares in banks, diversified financials, and automobiles and component sectors. On the economic docket, the trade deficit in the U.S. smaller than forecast in April, while non-farm payrolls increased by just 38,000 in May, with estimates originally calling for an increase of 160,000. Moving on, the jobless rate dropping to 4.7%. That's the lowest since November 2007, while durable goods new orders remaining at 3.4%. Factory goods orders, meanwhile, rising 1.9%, and market U.S. composite PMI coming at 50.9 in May compared to 50.8 in April. Decliner is more prevalent over advancers. 32% of SP500 constituents trading lower on Friday. Now, focusing on after the market closed for the weekend, BlackRock agreeing to sell an office building in Singapore's central business district to Qatar Investment Authority for $2.45 billion. Southwest Airlines said it will launch service at Long Beach Airport and bring more service between LA Basin and San Francisco Bay. And Apple may be allowed to open retail outlets in India without sourcing requirements for 2 to 3 years. This reported by the Times of India. Turning overseas in Asia once again, they are mixed today to start off the week. The Nikkei down 0.37%, the Hang Seng up 0.4%, China's CSI 300 down 1/3%, while South Korea's Kospi up 0.04%. European markets, they are rebounding, and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Now in the U.S., there are no major earnings expected, while on the economic docket, 10 o'clock in the morning sees the May labor markets conditions index change. And speaking of the U.S. markets, Trading Central sees the SP500 to be in a period of a rebound to start off the week. The relative strength index mixed to bullish, and intermediary support area is set at 2083, which allows for a temporary stabilization. Long positions above 2083 are favored, with targets at 2106 and 2113 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees a rebound expected, preferring long positions above 4480, and the Dow Jones seeing a rebound as well, preferring long positions above 17,675.